After 9 o'clock, you get to see a Central Railroad in New Jersey unit will pop up.
You know what? I used to live here when the trains used to go by all
Yep.
the time. I walked across the tracks to go to school. I got caught. I wasn't supposed to, but it was the shortest way to get to school and back home for lunch.
Probably back when the gentleman by the name of Hill Dwyer was the railroad cop, and he's pretty decent. I'm good friends with him. He's retired now.
The Barnum and Bailey circus train came through here once, and my grandfather and my uncle were winos.
Yeah.
And they taught me how to jump trains. All right, I was 4 years old.
Jesus.
So we went. He says, "Oh, let's go over and see the animals."
Yeah.
They didn't realize I was still in there, and they shut
Jesus.
the door. And I got all the way to Pittsburgh, 4 years old.
Oh, hello. It's puppy, huh? It's good puppy. Southern's in a bunch of their brand new engines up in the different heritage schemes from all the railroads that made other railroads, which one of the railroads they took orders from. There's engines set out in the Central Railroad in New Jersey. I got it when it went through yesterday, but it's going to be on the point of that truck. I'm hoping it's going to be here by 9 o'clock. Okay, Kim, this is David calling. Listen, there's no 206. It was, I think 22K is going through. He had a former Conrail unit on the point, an 8300 class. I didn't catch the whole number, but he had a Dash 9 in the middle and an SD70M on the trailing end. No racks, just a bunch of containers and trailers, and I'm getting bombarded by bugs. And we have a lightning storm just fired up. Good, because I'll tell you, if that frickin' goddamn westbound would get here, I'd have a goddamn real good photo. Okay, that's a good clue then. I hope it's Yeah, I know, Melvin, I know. That's what I said.
know, when I started working down here, I didn't realize how much fucking trains use these tracks.
Well, it used to be dead practically. Only like 2 trains a day would go through here. That was a long time ago. Back during the days of Guilford, because the owners of the company didn't give a crap about the damn track. There'd be weeds up to your freaking waist in the middle of the main line.
And what's he gonna do? Pull to the side so the other train coming that way?
If the other train's about an hour and a half to 2 hours away, and with the way the storm is, they got a guy in a truck driving on the tracks right now, checking for storm damage. Do it this way, heck with it. Be nice if there was lightning over in that direction.
Yeah. Fucking raining.
Yep. Come on, give me some lightning, damn it. Yeah, you get it.
How many cars do these things got?
This is a 1.5 mile long train. It's mainly racks and maybe some containers. Now figures the lightning just fizzled at me. Lousy frickin' Mother Nature. I wanted to get some lightning in my scene here. Didn't work out as planned. Come on, you filthy animals, show your true colors. The hell does somebody got to do around here to get a lightning shot? Damn it! Wish this was the middle of July and a friggin' sticky ass night. Yeah, big. Light. Got a little flicker of light. Oh, sweet baby!